I'm sorry, custom food bag. It's not that you're not great. You are. And we've made some amazing memories together. But I found something else. Hey, I'm Doug. Welcome to Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel all about hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. As you might know from previous videos, I am a huge fan of Hilltop Packs. Excellent company out in Pennsylvania. They've been making these custom bear bags, backpacks, gadget bags, all kinds of cool stuff for a few years now. Ben and his crew are just amazing people, and I love their company. I love the stuff they put out. I've got one of just about everything they make. I've got a large size custom food / bear bag. I've got a smaller sized one in a lighter weight Dyneema. I've got their battery bag, which is one of my favorite pieces of gear. I've got their fanny pack.
Fanny pack!
And not to brag or anything, but when Mark Goes Hiking ordered the sexiest gadget bag that Hilltop Packs had, this is what they came up with. So it may surprise you to find out that although I love these bags so much, I am replacing them with a garbage bag. And when I say garbage bag, I mean a bag made out of these. This is the new Hilltop Packs Ecopak food bag. Ben hooked me up with this bag, and as you can see, it not only has my custom printed logo on it, but it also has this cool map on the back, which is actually from my background. Although Hilltop Packs kind of made their name by producing custom printed Dyneema bags, this new Ecopak is something pretty special. Not only is Ecopak ultra light, ultra tough, and, if you get it through Hilltop, ultra custom, it's ultra good for the environment. So first, let's talk about how light these are. The large size food bag that Hilltop Packs made in Dyneema weighed 1.9 ounces. In the Ecopak of the same size, 1.6. That actually puts the new large bag at a weight that is in between the old large bag and the older small bag. Like the Dyneema bags, the Ecopak bags are tape sealed and they are waterproof. So when you roll these down and clip them together, nothing's getting in, nothing's getting out. You not only get the clips for use as a roll top, but you've also got the red hang tab so that you can attach a rope to this and hang it from a tree to keep the bears away from it. The flat bottom is still a welcome option, and you can still get the mesh spoon stash option, which I have on this bag, but which didn't come with this one. And of course, because it's Hilltop Packs, you've got to love the custom printing option. Nobody is going to confuse this bag with one of theirs. And this printing is no joke. It's not just a layer of ink on top of the material. It's actually kind of baked in somehow. I don't know how he does it, but this doesn't come off. You can scratch it up, the bag will scratch, but the printing isn't just going to flake off. This is arguably the weakest print that I have. It's on the thinnest Dyneema. I've been through a ton of stuff with this. Nothing happens to this logo. It is still as good as the day I got the bag, even though I've been trashing this thing for quite some time. Now, before we get to how tough this stuff is, I want to talk about the eco-friendly nature of this new Ecopak material. This is made from plastic bottles. Now, there was a little bit of confusion at first when this came out. Something between the vendor and the guys at Hilltop got some signals crossed, and there was some misinformation that was put out about these bags. However, that has been cleared up, first with a mea culpa kind of video that Ben put out that I didn't really think was super necessary, but he is just such a stand-up guy. When they first got started with this new material, Hilltop named it 50W, and the claim was made that it was 100% recycled. Well, the problem is the company actually sent Hilltop 2 different kinds of material, and they were confused. Okay, so here's the deal. The custom printed bags, or the white ones that they're printed on, going forward are going to be known as DTRS-75. DTRS-75 is a hybrid blend of recycled and new materials. So while the DTRS-75 is more eco-friendly than something like Dyneema or Xpac, if you want a completely recycled material, you're going to want to look for EPLX 200, which is what Hilltop Packs is making their solid color bags out of. Now, you might be wondering what I'm doing with this strange sample square. Well, apparently this material is supposed to be very tough. And so we were given this to try it out and see just how tough it really is. Now, as you can see, some other YouTubers have had a pretty good time trying to see just how tough this material is and try to see about tearing through or even burning through this material, and I'm no different. I want to see what it takes to tear this thing up. Okay, so first, the obvious. If I'm just using this in a day-to-day kind of thing, is it going to tear if I rough it up a little bit? The answer is no. No, it is not. Look at that. It's not even warped. But let's see what else we can do with this thing. All right, it's time to get serious. Okay, well, as you can see, the new material that Hilltop Packs is using for their food bags and other items is pretty amazing. It is super lightweight, yet it is super tough. It is waterproof, and it is good for the environment. While I recommend Hilltop Packs just because they're such a great company full of great people, this product is something that I think every backpacker can use. It's not going to set you back too far as the cost goes. As near as I can tell, these things are going to last forever, but they do come with a 2-year warranty just in case you're worried about it. And compared to some of the heavier items out on the market, the non-custom items out on the market, why would you pay for any of that when you can get top-notch, cutting-edge technology, custom printed, and support a great company at the same time? All right, I hope this video was entertaining and informative for you. If it was, would you mind giving the video a like and subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you're into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Also, if you click the bell when you subscribe, or after you subscribe, YouTube will let you know when my new videos come out. Until next time, I'm Doug. As always, thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, I shot this whole thing with my shirt on inside out.